Hey yo, what up, beautiful Mtata people? It's your boy Local Connect ZA, and we back again with another special Mtata Mchana podcast. Namhlanje silava Mtata Plaza Shopping Center Mall yasemtata. I remember this place when it used to be a stadium, but yeah, back had this beautiful mall. It's one of the first structures nazo say development apha eMthatha. So yeah, sizabe silapha sikhangela nje a few individuals, a few grootmans here and there, sibabuze ngale ndawo yabo kuthiwa ngumthatha noba benzani, if they have businesses sibapromote. Yeah man, and if you're watching this, please hit the like button, comment, the share button, make sure you follow us. If you're watching us from YouTube, please subscribe. Siyazidinga subscribers. We love y'all. Hola hola. Grand Prime. Sharp Prime. Igama lami ngilunga mfethu wakwaMatikane. I go by the name Local Connect. Ngoba ngapha eSikisiki. But ndilapha eMthatha yabo, ngikhulele apha eNgangilizwe. Yabo. So ndiza kuwe mfethu neshow esiyenzayo kuthiwa Mthatha Mchana yabo. Abo ke sihambe singena izindawo zalapha eMthatha sibuza ke bantu ba wena ubani, wenzani, intoni ekuphilisayo. So first question of the day, awulami ungubani?
Mina brand ngikhuluma nqa bra.
Ukhuluma nqa kwabani?
Wakwa Ndlovu bra.
Ndlovu.
Ifani ngibelani.
So isiduko nguNdlovu.
Yeah.
Okay. uNdlovu ukakwazi bathutha mhlawumbe let's say Ndlovu
Zilekhaya nqaliswa imalusi angikwazi kahle bra.
Okay. But no man, ngicela uyibethe kakuhle uthini ngubani?
uNdlovu bra uzilekhaya nqaliswa imalusi, umalubo ngawudingisa.
Hawu, ngasho. Yabolela bhuti. Okay Brian. Lapha eMthatha mos ne. Zindoni nizenzayo apha for activities, like do you go out uqala uyogroove?
Nah bra, like I'm studying bra.
Okay, so student mfethu. Okay, so as a student, where do you go to have fun when?
To have fun. Usually like Tina bra, like better chillers most of the time.
Indoor chillers.
Yeah, I don't like to go out bra because I'm introverted. Like
Okay. I like that. So he's an introvert, indoor person. Like say okay, what are you doing? Like study shandoni?
Like
nah, don't be shy.
Like bro, ndingathi study rugby. I don't want to say because I don't kiss and tell.
Okay.
Or like in study shy eUnisa bro.
eUnisa. Okay. He don't kiss and tell. Okay, Brian. In 5 years, where do you want to see yourself?
Me, I want to see myself like completed my degree, bro.
Nice.
And chasing my dreams, yeah.
Nice.
Yeah.
Okay. Nice. I dig that too. Yabona manje ukujeva ke. Okay, so abantu xa bekufuna bakufumana njani?
Yeah, banifumana ku TikTok, Kuma, Instagram, Kuma Kid. That's it. Yeah.
So like Kuma, like come on, look spelling. Because yabona you get lost kwezinto singayazi bazi type enjani Kuma has an H.
Yeah, Kuma with an H, CHUMA, and Kelly, like KELLY.
That's what I'm talking about. So play I'm ndabulela kuCuma man. Uhambe kahle Ndlovu. Hawu. Ayisefu. Siswami unjani?
Alright, akhona njani?
Akhona nawe siswami. Siswami igama lami ngulunga wakwaMatikane. Ndingubhukulo umkhwanazi umhlobo wosisithi. Ndine show endiyenzayo which is called Mthatha Mchana podcast. Apho ke I am Local Connect ZA. Yabo.
Okay.
So siswami le show into esiyenzayo lesambe sibuza abantu basekhaya uba wena ungubani, wenzani apha kulo Mthatha yabo, and if you have business yabo you can promote your business yabo. Utsho mhlambe ke nendawo 1 or 2 yendawo abantu abaya kuzo mhlambe, let's say you can refer babayo bazenjoya kuyo yabo.
Okay.
So nje into enjalo siswami. So first question of the day, siswami ungubani?
Oh, igama lami mina ndingululama Nyangana. Originally I'm from Mount Frey, ndilibhacakazi eMaswela. Hey.
Mount Frey.
But ke basically lapha eMthatha ke ngoku ndihlala apha eMthatha. Yes, I'm working for Crisis Shield.
Crisis Shield.
Yes, hospital plan of Crisis Shield, ne?
Okay.
If you need anything, okay, you just contact me. Sibhadala wena thina asifane medical aid. Sibhadala wena awulele esibhedlela. And ku premium A1 ngena wena ne-family yakho up to 8 children.
All right.
Yes.
So xa befuna abantu bakufumana njani?
Oh, well, ndikhona number yam ndiyayigqithisa?
Yeah.
Okay.
It's
My number
but,
is-
But caution, you are a female, ne?
Oh, yeah.
For business. For
Okay.
business, very business line then.
Yeah, business line only, guys. Come on.
Yeah. Okay.
It's 081-4974-350.
Okay.
Ndikhona na ku Facebook. Andiswa umtshana kaMakaus Swela. Yeah, better
Siwela.
Swela. Yes, Swela.
Okay.
Yes. Oh, and also, guys, ndinguye no Sis Dosh. I'm selling sneakers. I'm selling clothes.
Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah.
So,
So
one tap.
ufumaneka on the same number for the
Yes.
sneakers and clothes.
Yes.
Okay. So make sure baniyamfollowisha usisi, nimlandele, nimkhangele na ku WhatsApp so that yabo you get those orders.
Yes.
Okay, Siswam, I have another question here.
Okay.
You are growing your business. Where do you want to see yourself like in, let's say, the next 5 years? Masithethe ngecala kaSisindoshi.
Oh, start kule side hustle yami
Yeah,
Sis
yeah,
Dosh. Okay, in 5 years, in 5 years time, ndizibona ndi-owner my own boutique.
Oh, yeah.
Yes, some ndithengisa nezami ii-brands, uyabona ne? Yes.
I love that. Ibalulekile indaba.
Yeah.
Uzibone because
Yes.
yonke lento yenzela uzibone somewhere, yabo. Okay, so now my last question. Apha eMthatha, yabo, let's say unechomi from outside. Izapha kuwe eMthatha. Yabo. Ithi chomi masiphume manje siyophola for the weekend. Ndifuna nje just your 3 best groove spots eningaya kuzo.
Oh, of course, Highness. SMJ
SMJ bypass.
bypass.
Okay,
Yes.
okay. The last one.
Golden,
Oh,
Northcrest,
and
Golden Butchery. Yes.
ndiyabulela sisi wami ndiyathemba uthixo akubusise kwande nalapho uthatha khona sisi wami. Yabo, thank you so much. Can you just say one thing for me? Tata Mchana podcast.
Tata Mchana podcast.
Mkhulu wami kuhle
Shobonda ngifumana.
akhona mkhulu wami igama lami ngulunga wakwaMatikane and ngubhukula mina umkhwanazi.
Sure.
Zawa ngapha esikisiki kodwa ke ndikhulele apha eMthatha ndizalelwe apha mshaba. So mkhulu wami ndiza kuwe nje sine show esenzayo Tata Mchana podcast. Lapho ke sifike sibulise sibone abantu baseMthatha ngoba sifuna ukukhulisa uMthatha. Yabo. So sihamba sibuza abantu baseMthatha ba hey wena bra wenzani? Into enokuphilisayo. Yabo xa ubumnandini wenzani? Yabo into nje njalo bra. So first question of the day Brian ungubani?
Mina khona nguchangisa lo umwevu uZulu isinga lakhe igama awakafani. Into endiphilisayo ikhona ibusiness endingaphansi kwayo kuthiwa yi-Cloud Vibes Furniture. Iphethwe ngumfana kuthiwa ngu-Athanathi Nompesheni ukhathula isiduko. Yeah, otherwise iyafumaneka ku-Cloud Vibe ku-TikTok. Phaa ku-Cloud Vibes Furniture na ku-Facebook still the same handle.
Cela ubasipelele
Cloud
abangayaziyo.
CLOTH ibe ngu-VIBES ibe ngu-furniture ke ngoku.
Ibe ngufurniture.
Yeah,
Okay.
basifumana phaa xa besifuna.
Okay mkhulu wami, hayi ndiyabulela mkhulu wami. Mkhulu wami ngicela ubuze ngoku just a quick question. Wena khomane wami xa uphumile let's say mhlambe unechomi engeyo lapha eMthatha.
eMthatha, sure.
Yabo. Ifuna uzabe eMthatha. Qha ithi Brahman kanifake kwindawo ezibentathu man.
ezokonwaba kuzo xa
ezokonwaba
ikuzo.
kuzo. So into enjalo bra yabo. So Brahman ndiyacela man khawufaka abantu basekhaya ba.
Hayi
bangayazi.
indawo yokuqala efuna utya inyama umfethu uba akafuna utya ebypass samfaka kwaNkohla.
Ewankohla.
Ya xa sesiqomba ke ngoku siyothoba la maqatha sihlale noba kupha i-highness uyabo eqomba nje ufuna uphola ke ngoku nenanasi buhamba nayo simfake i-ivory aphole abe grand.
Alright mkhulu wami.
Yeah.
Mkhulu wami ndiyabulela mkhulu wami. Ndiyathemba kwande nalapho uthatha khona.
Hayi
mkhulu
nathi
wami.
masifumane ifollowazi kwelethu icala beninzi
Yeah,
abantu
yeah,
bafake
yeah.
isipani babe grand.
Alright, kaphinde baphindele nje abangafanga.
i-TikTok uzathi Cloud Vibes Furniture naku-Facebook izoba ngu-Cloud Vibes Furniture. Silapha eMthatha.
eBemthatha.
Yeah.
Phi eBemthatha?
Mthatha sifumana ke eBhongweni khona sawa
Ebhongweni.
eBhongweni ya ngapha kwa-Eskom.
Alright. Ndiyabulela mkhulu wami. Hey yo, what up, beautiful Mtata people? It's your boy Loco Connect again, and we're back with a special. I wanted to add to the Mtata Plaza edition. I want to add something new to the podcast, something really estratweni. I got a friend of mine, but I'm going to introduce Agoni. I'm going to introduce him and what he does. This is Mtata Mchana podcast, and what we are right now is on set. He's currently doing something there, taking his content, yabo, samupila. So let's go and check Khotman Bawenzani and tell us about his story. I see you, Bafet. Khromanem,
Thank you.
kuhle mkhulu wami.
Alright, man. Local is lekker is local. What you say, man? Nigga?
Dishabu mkhulu wami, dishabu.
Yeah.
Mkhulu wami. This time anizanga nje as Local Connect the rapper. Dize with a beautiful show that has been doing so great. Tata Mchana podcast. Yeah, man, siyapusha phaka makhasi onxibelelwano. Khumani yami ndithi masondele brand yabona ba you're busy with something.
Yeah, man.
Manqala apha mkhulu ngubani qala for abantu abangakwaziyo.
Okay, igama lam.
Yes.
Lokuzalwa. I am named Uyanga Sikelelo Maswale.
Maswale.
Yeah.
That is Sotho.
Yeah, Tswana.
Tswana.
Yeah, there is no Shubi surname.
Okay.
Yeah. There is no Shubi surname. Shubi is like a nation, you know.
Yeah.
That is built with the nation. But Kiasiko Lab, Asiqhubeke local.
Okay. So istuko.
Oh, isitoko sami ndinguTsipi, oRaplana, oTholo, oNamanasiwe. Yeah, ngumhlalipula ke. We are descendant of the great Cornelius Sijosingwe. That's who we are, from a Mount Fletcher, who descends straight from the lands of Buputatswana down the lines to a Mahikeng, Abotladi. You get more of Abarolong there. Then you come down to a Mount Fletcher. How we learned to Mtata is a story for another day. What's about you, local?
Come on, you got game.
What you say now?
Okay. I'm cool.
Local.
So, ndiyabona busy.
Yeah.
Ambusha.
Yeah, man, unfikela ndisespanina.
What's going on here?
Okay, what we are doing here, local man, it's nothing more than anything. First, big up my dog for what you're doing with your channel. We're seeing the numbers, we're seeing the views. It's something, it's gonna grow to something one day. Just be ready to grow it without fear. Yeah. But basically, we are developing a menu that is gonna be strictly sold. We Sunday. First session Sunday. As you know, there's an event that I'm part of, the brand Yours Truly, which is a luxury event brand, which we do brand curation, activations, brand customization. We do mixology services, we do wedding planning, we do wedding curations, we do wedding designs, event designs, a lot of things we do, brother man,
Yes,
but
bro.
over and above, we also just want to give to Mtata, Abantu, Abakoyo, that would want to eat from our talent, we give back to them.
Yeah.
So currently now, gents, shout out to the guys since I first Sunday, since last year we had a relationship. Then to this very year, Sunday relationship. Now Benza event yabonga 7th. September. They're in partnership with Ron's Cafe. Venue is a high party. So Mlungu, that's basically that. So what I'm doing now, I am just giving Abantu Abalapa an experience of exactly what could be potentially the look and feel, the taste, the menu and the drinks on the actual event.
Alright.
So apha ngoku senenze champagne inspired cocktails. So I don't know Kem wako angamuva azoyibona just put it there nalena.
Okay.
These are all champagne.
Yeah, beauty shit. I'm here, man.
Yeah.
I'm here, man. Look at this. Yeah. Alright.
So that's basically that we were doing. That one is a grenadine inspired champagne.
Khalil, let's build up.
Yeah.
I want them on the shot.
You want them on the short?
Yes. JJ. Hanyane. Yeah, please, man. Straps there. Okay.
So basically that's it, my dog. I don't know
Yeah,
if
so
there's anything.
explain akamnanda.
Okay, up on the great. We have what looks like a sunrise for so many people that knows cocktails.
Okay.
But this is basically my own version of a mimosa. I'll just flip the script because obviously Mtata Sani, we change things around. But nalapha ndiflipe script, man. This is basically pure champagne with raspberry flavor. This is a bowl full of champagne. Yeah, boy.
Okay.
Yeah, boy. Imagine having much champagne, but having champagne in a glass in a way that's bubbly and live, man. Just dull champagne up to say shit, but I have nothing to mash.
It is.
Yeah, what you say, look.
Okay, good man. For abantu abakufunayo ke ngoMkhulu wami bakufumana njani? Phone call,
Okay,
email.
one, you get me on like my WhatsApp. I'm gonna leave the number. You can put it on the thing.
Please say it for the camera.
Okay, for the cam it's 0 6 0 6 3 1 9 8 4 6. We repeat it again. It's 0 6 0 6 3 1 9 8 4 6. That's it.
Afunenifundise nami yabo.
Yeah, obviously we have audience. I'm a conscious person about the community.
Yeah,
my dog. I have audience that
Ah,
really
no
can't
shade to that,
communicate
no
with
shade.
me verbally, but
Don't shade.
they communicate now with like signs. You know, they show me love. You know, I love them back. You know,
Sakho,
as much as they
sakho,
can understand.
sakho,
I'll come back
sakho.
to you. What you say?
Okay, that's your phone number.
Yeah.
So-
but
so,
we come there to Ilenduza media
WhatsApp.
handles now.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's where you get
WhatsApp. I
WhatsApp,
mean,
yeah.
so Facebook.
Facebook is Uyanga Maswale. And then on Instagram is the sun. Like there's a prefix.
Okay.
And then Usan is Ilanga. SUN
Okay.
_ Langa. LAGN.
So that's where people like find you and the menus and everything.
Yeah,
Yes,
the bigger entity is Charlie _ Pamen.
Yeah.
That's where
Funale,
but yeah,
funale,
Charlie Pamen,
funale.
Charlie. It's Charlie as in Charlie _ Pamen.
Barman.
Yeah. Barman.
But available for Monday to Sunday.
Not really. I
Depending on
can
the-
give you
the
depending on what
booking,
the client, depending on the booking, we're open for that. But really, I wouldn't really do Mondays. Mondays are for content. Mondays are for my thing, unless I'm traveling, and then Sundays are for spirituality, unless we have an event. But any day is available, my dog. Anywhere in the country, anywhere in the world, we have a footprint. You can check our pages. We have a footprint, nationally and internationally. So.
Right. Good man. Diyabulela kakhulu. I hope abantu ababukeleyo they book you. This is something new for me. Mina nikhulele kasi ke bafethu yabo. Sibamba iblack thina pha ingudu sibamba intoni yabona bra so man ndifuna ufaka abantu enisuka nabo ekasi yabo ba ekuse bafethu zikhona ziyafumaneka ezwe yabo so that yabo sibe relevant sibe sezindweni. Mama yami ngiyacela man uThixo akubusise.
Okay.
Good luck man on whatever you oyenzayo ingase ibe blessed ithatshwe yabo with the holy yabo presence. Khona yami
That is enough dabs for the day.
bro, you
Way
know
off
me
you,
I be
so-
dabbing everyone.
He makes music. He was interviewing me. He makes music and he does podcasting. Shout out to him. Shout out to the gang. Shout out to all those niggas. Shout out to Mtata. Shout out to everything Mtata. Flip it up.
Okay, for everyone that's watching, please make sure you subscribe
Yeah.
Make sure you follow Wisha, like,
Yeah.
comment on the video,
Yeah.
follow us. If you wanna see more of Upamen, please man, follow us. We
Yeah.
love y'all. Sure.